Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. Here x square minus 3 whole square, this is equals to x plus 3. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Here x square minus 3 whole square and this is equals to x plus 3. In left hand side we will apply a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. This is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then this left hand side is x square bracket power 2 plus 3 square minus 2 times x square times 3, and this is equals to x plus 3. X square bracket power 2, this is x power 4 plus 3 square is 9 minus 3 times 2 is 6 x square, this is equals to x plus 3. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then x power 4 minus 6x square plus 9 minus x minus 3, and this is equals to 0. Now first we will write this expression in next page. In left hand side, x power 4 minus 6x square, 9 minus 3 is 6 minus x. Here 6 minus x, and this is equals to 0. X power 4 and then write minus x here and minus 6x square plus 6, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully first two terms. If we take common x power 4 divided by x, then here x cube minus x divided by x, then you will get here minus 1. Look carefully last two terms. Here if we take common minus 6x square divided by minus 6, then you will get x square, and plus 6 divided by minus 6, then you will get minus 1, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully here, this is x cube minus 1 and this is x square minus 1, and we know that 1 is same as 1 cube and 1 is also can written as 1 power 2. So here if we take power 3 and here if we take power 2, this is difference between two cubes and this is difference between two squares, and we know that difference between two cubes, this is equals to a minus b is multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square, and difference between two squares is a square minus b square, this is equals to a minus b is multiplied by a plus b. Then this left hand side, x times x cube minus 1 cube is same as x minus 1 times x square plus x times 1 plus 1 square minus 6, and x square minus 1 square is same as x plus 1 times x minus 1, and this is equals to 0. X times x minus 1, here x square plus x times 1 is x plus 1 square is 1, here minus 6 times x plus 1 times x minus 1, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side, if we take common x minus 1, then in left hand side here x minus 1 is multiplied by here x times x square plus x plus 1, x times x square plus x plus 1, and here minus 6 times x plus 1, minus 6 times x plus 1, and this is equals to 0. X minus 1, this is multiplied by this x is multiplied by x square plus x plus 1, then you will get x cube plus x square plus x, and minus 6 is multiplied by x plus 1, then you will get minus 6x minus 6, and this is equals to 0. Here x minus 1 is multiplied by x cube plus x square, this is plus x and this is minus x, So here minus 5x minus 2 and this is equals to 0. In left hand side we will apply this rule, a times b, this is equals to 0. This implies value of a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Assume x minus 1 is a and this expression is b. And if we apply this rule, then you can say x minus 1, this is equals to 0 or x cube plus x square minus 5x minus 6 and this is equals to 0. Here value of x is equals to 1. This is our first solution, x is equals to 1. Now look carefully, we have a cubic equation. First we will find 0 of this cubic equation. In other words, first we will find one solution of this cubic equation. Look carefully here, if you substitute x is equals to minus 2, then minus 2 power 3 plus minus 2 power 2 minus 5 times minus 2 minus 6. Minus 2 power 3 is minus 8, minus 2 square is plus 4, minus 5 times minus 2, this is 10, minus 6. Here minus 8 and here minus 6, this is minus 14 and 4 plus 10, this is plus 14, this is equals to 0. It means here x is equals to minus 2 is a solution. If x is equals to minus 2 is solution of this cubic equation, then you can say x plus 2 is a factor. Now divide this cubic equation by the factor x plus 2. Cubic equation is x cube plus x square minus 5x minus 6. X cube plus x square minus 5x minus 6 minus 5x minus 6 divide by x plus 2. Now here if we take x square and this x square is multiplied by x plus 2, then you will get x power 3. X square is multiplied by 2, then you will get 2x square. Here minus and here minus. Then this is plus x cube and this is minus x cube, both are cancelled out. Here x square and here minus 2x square, this is minus x square minus 5x minus 6. Now here if we take minus x and this minus x is multiplied by x plus 2, then you will get minus x square minus 2x. Here plus and here plus. Then this is minus x square and this is plus x square, both are cancelled out. Here minus 5x and here plus 2x, this is minus 3x minus 6. Now here if we take minus 3 times x plus 2, then you will get minus 3x minus 6. Here plus and here plus. This is negative and this is positive, cancel out. This is minus 6 and this is plus 6, then both are cancelled out. Here remainder is 0. So factor of this cubic equation is x plus 2 times x square minus x minus 3 and this is equals to 0. Then we have two cases, x plus 2 this is equals to 0 or x square minus x minus 3 this is equals to 0. Here value of x is equals to minus 2. This is second solution. Let's say this is x2 and this is equals to minus 2. And we know that first solution is this is x1 is equals to 1. This is first solution and this is second solution. Now solve this quadratic equation by using quadratic formula, because this quadratic equation is not factorizable. Here x square minus x minus 3 this is equals to 0. Value of a is equals to 1, value of b is equals to minus 1 and value of c is equals to minus 3. And quadratic formula x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Then x is equals to minus value of b is minus 1 plus minus square root of b. Value of b is minus 1 square minus 4. Value of a is 1 and value of c is minus 3 and divided by 2 times value of a is 1. Then x is equals to this minus is multiplied by this minus 1, then you will get plus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 times minus 3, this is 12. and divide by 2. Then here x is equals to 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 12 is 13 over 2. Here we have two another solutions. X3 this is equals to 1 plus square root of 13 divided by 2, and fourth solution x4 this is equals to 1 minus square root of 13 divided by 2. In this question we have four solutions. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.